Hello, everyone! Welcome to today's lesson on giving directions. In this lesson, we're going to learn some easy phrases and vocabulary that will help you give simple directions. Whether you're helping someone find a place or you need directions yourself, let's dive in. Section 1. Common phrases. Let's start with some basic phrases. These are common phrases used to give directions. First one, turn left. This means to go to the left side. Second one, turn right. This means to go to the right side. Third one, go straight. This means to keep walking or driving forward. Fourth one, it's on the right. This means the place you're looking for is on the right side. Fifth one, it's on the left. This means the place you're looking for is on the left side. Last one, it's near the. Use this when something is close to a familiar place. Section 2. Giving simple directions. Now, let's put these phrases together to give some simple directions. Here are some examples. First example. Go straight and turn left at the corner. Here, we are telling someone to go straight and then turn left when they reach the corner. Second example. Go straight and the bakery is on your right. In this case, we are telling someone to keep going straight and the bakery will be on the right side. Third example. Turn right at the intersection and it's on the left. This tells someone to turn right when they reach an intersection and the place they are looking for will be on the left. Last example. Go straight and then it's near the supermarket. This tells the person to continue straight and look for the place near a familiar location like the supermarket. Section 3. Vocabulary for places. In this section, we'll learn some vocabulary words that will help you understand and give better directions. These words describe common places or locations. First, corner. The place where two streets meet. Second, street. A road in a city or town. Third, intersection. The place where two or more streets meet. Last, building. A structure with walls and a roof, such as a house or office. Now, let's practice giving directions with a few scenarios. You can repeat after me to get better at using the phrases. First one. You need to tell someone how to get to a restaurant. We can say, go straight, then turn left at the corner. The restaurant is on the right, next to the bookstore. Again. Go straight, then turn left at the corner. The restaurant is on the right, next to the bookstore. Second, someone is asking how to get to a post office. We can say, go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right. The post office is on your left, near the bank. Again. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right. The post office is on your left, near the bank. Last one. You want to guide someone to a shopping mall. We can say, go straight, then turn right at the intersection. The mall is on the left, near the park. Again. Go straight, then turn right at the intersection. The mall is on the left, near the park. Great job! You've learned some important phrases and vocabulary for giving directions. With these new skills, you can help others find their way or even ask for directions yourself. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons.